Hello, Leica lovers. My name is Edward Grad. I'm an artist photographer from Los Angeles, California, and today I'm recording open box video of my new Leica SL2 camera that I just got from Leica store Los Angeles, which is a great store here in West Hollywood. And to get this camera, I traded in my CL system, which is I really love my Leica CL system, and I decided to get SL because I really like L mount. So let's see what's inside of the box. All I did so far is just to open this tape here. Okay, this is my unboxing video. Really interesting. I have my M10P Sapphire edition and Leica CL. They always come in boxes which is vertical. And this is, I noticed, actually it's a horizontal. It's very interesting how they did it for this one. I'm curious to see how it's designed and how it's all placed inside of the box. I know a lot about this camera and I tested a lot before, but you know, opening first time and seeing my camera is really exciting. Okay, here we go. Here is a Leica SL2. Just a few months ago, came out Leica SL2S, which is a great camera for videographers. I don't need a camera because my purpose in photography is photography. I'm not doing much videos with my camera. But that is a Leica SL2S is a fantastic camera for video purposes. So I need megapixels for my work and visual effects that I do in film industry here in Hollywood. So that's why I need this camera. Okay, wow, that's such a lovely black design box. What does it says here? Schwarz in German. It's version 10854. Made in Germany. Absolutely spectacular. Okay. Oh, let's see what's inside here. Okay. So as we see here, it's a regular setup. We always have this Lightroom, Photoshop, 3 months membership. All the documentation of person who packed my camera. It says here it was packed on October 7, 2020. And now is January. It's the end of January 2021. There is a quick start guide for Leica SL2. A little bit documentation here. Invitation to register your products in a museum, which is really cool and awesome. Oh, interesting. So, I actually really like this black design for everything. It's kind of cool. Very different from my other Leica products. It's like a charger, okay, right here. Okay, it's a strap. Power plugs. Okay, so American. And European connection. So this is battery, I guess. Yeah. A cute little bag for battery. I wish all designs for batteries were the same. And finally, this is the camera. I actually would like to show for people who are interested how they put it in a box. So that's the way it's all laid out there. Very simple, minimalistic, and yeah, it's really cool. I really like actually black box like that. Okay, let's put it down here. Oh my God, I've never been opened and touched before. Ooh, such a beautiful camera. Been waiting for this camera for a very long time. I absolutely admired this design because it had that 80s feel, you know, and I really love that design, like, you know, classic 80s cameras. I really love this shape here, which is, I think it's been lots of great improvement in design of the body versus to Leica SL first version. And I really love it. I really love that it's only 3 buttons here on the back, just like my M10P and my former Leica CL camera as well. It's absolutely beautiful. So I'm really excited how this camera is going to work with my M lenses and my R lenses. Because most of the lenses I have are M lenses because I really love my manual lenses and I'm going to use it with adapter, and R lenses as well. I have some incredible telephoto R lenses that I really love and I'm really looking forward to using it. And I'm very excited, and I got this camera for the reason that it's 47 megapixels. Because as my everyday camera for my creative photography, I use my M10P camera, but this one is for more professional work, you know, because I need that level of detail in the landscapes and the cityscapes, and that is why I need that high megapixel camera. Very excited about this. Well, hope you find it interesting. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon.